Welcome to Brainy Kids.
My family. We live in a house. We live in a house. There are 6 people in my family. There are 6 people in my family. I have a younger sister. I have a younger sister. My dad is 40 years old. He is a doctor. My dad is 40 years old. He is a doctor. My mom is 35 years old. She is a writer. My mom is 35 years old. She is a writer. My grandparents are staying with us. My grandparents are staying with us. I am very happy. I love my family. I am very happy. I love my family. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more amazing lessons.